On today's show, Barb and I are going to make a creamy garlic mushroom chicken recipe. This is going to be so delicious. We're going to also have mashed potatoes as well as the sauteed onions and garlic. We're going to have a veggie salad with a special secret recipe for the salad dressing I'll share with you. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. Hey Barb, what's the question of the day?
Do you like mashed potatoes? If you like mashed potatoes, give a thumbs up.
I have a couple of nice large chicken breasts that we're going to be using for this recipe today. I think we should start out with our mashed potatoes and the mushrooms. So I'll get these burners turned on over here. For the mushrooms, I have onions and garlic that I need to cut up and I will saute. So here's the garlic and the onions. Okay, that is all set. There's our onions and garlic. Wow, that's gonna look good already. Okay, so the pan is starting to get hot. Let's put some olive oil in here. No exact measurement on that, just kind of use as much as you want. I have the butter, which I like get soft a little bit, enough where I can get it out of the package without fighting it. There we go. Get these onions and garlic going here, sauteing. The onions and garlic are starting to soften up with the butter. Now for the chicken, for ingredients, I have milk and I have cream of mushroom soup. There we go. Then for seasoning, I have lemon pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Stir that up. Then we have our chicken. Wow, do these look nice. Mix them in there really well like that. That's going to be so delicious. Wow. Then to transfer my mushrooms on top. Like that. Put the lid on it. And I have the oven preheating at 425. We'll put it in till the chicken reaches 165. Let's get the water boiling for the potatoes. The water is boiling for our instant mashed potatoes. Get this butter in here. And put the lid back on. Let that sit for a bit. Everything is done. Here's our potatoes. Grab a plate and we'll get our potatoes out here and our chicken. Start here. Nice big helping of potatoes. Like that. And let's grab the chicken. Wow, this is hot. I checked it a few minutes ago and it looked like it was almost done. I like to lift them. Yep. They are all done. Get some tongs. Get these on the plate. Wow. Just like that. And then we'll also get a little bit of the mushrooms in the mix. A little bit of that right on top. Maybe some in the potatoes. Just like that. Wow. The salad is pretty easy. I just use some carrots like this. There's only 2 of us, so I'm not making a lot. And then some celery. I'll also put the rest of it in there. And then I have a mix. The mix is going to be maple syrup, lemon juice, and Dijon mustard. So they're all right here. Mix it up really, really well. Pour it on. There we go. And then a little bit of salt and pepper. And this is what it looks like. Then I have some olive oil. Just put on top just a little bit. serving tongs. If you like watching shows like this and you want to see more, I have a whole list right here.